Unlocking Drama, Theme and Symbolism in Screenwriting. Hello, aspiring screenwriters and enthusiasts of the English language. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting realm of drama and screenwriting, the use of theme and symbolism. They are powerful tools in storytelling and, when done well, can add depth and resonance to your work. The theme is the underlying message or the big idea of a story. It is the critical belief the writer is trying to communicate to the audience. It's not about the plot or characters, but rather what lies beneath them. It's the writer's interpretation of the world, an answer to a universal question. Examples of themes could be, love conquers all, greed leads to downfall, or, the human spirit can overcome any obstacle. Remember, your theme isn't a one-size-fits-all answer. It's subjective and unique to your perspective. Using a theme can provide a guiding light for your narrative, creating a consistent and coherent narrative. When writing, ask yourself, what is the main message I want my audience to take away? Let this answer guide your character development and the decisions they make throughout the plot. Your theme doesn't have to be explicitly stated. It's often more powerful when subtly woven into the narrative. Moving on to symbolism. Symbolism in screenwriting is when you use an object, a character, a situation, or even a word to represent something else, typically a more abstract concept or idea. For example, a rising sun may symbolize hope, a new beginning, or rebirth, while a storm could symbolize conflict or turmoil. When it comes to using symbolism in your screenplay, subtlety is key. You don't want your audience to feel like they're being hit over the head with your symbols. Make sure your symbols make sense within the context of the story. They should add to the narrative and not confuse the viewer. Like themes, symbols can provide a richer depth to your story and add layers of meaning that can elevate your storytelling. When you effectively combine theme and symbolism in your screenplay, they become a dynamic duo that can add profound depth and meaning to your work. The theme is your underlying message, and symbols are the tools you use to communicate that message in a nuanced way. They should always work in harmony, each enhancing the other. So there you have it. A brief but hopefully enlightening introduction to theme and symbolism in drama and screenwriting. As you start using these powerful tools in your writing, you'll discover they can open up an incredible new depth to your storytelling. Remember, writing is a journey. It's not just about the destination, but the lessons and discoveries we make along the way. So keep writing, keep exploring, and as always, keep learning.